Good run though. Yeah. Hi guys, rubber band power time. Another one of my old cars converted for a different purpose. This is based on an idea by Ed Maynard. It's not exactly what he was talking about, but it's in the spirit of. He was suggesting I used my windmill flower propeller thing that I did on one of the previous episodes to power a car with some gearing up the back. Now, one of the problems I have is I don't have many gears. I've got a few gears like the ones I've used on this boat, but I don't have a nice series of gears that I could have up the back here to connect from the rubber band drive shaft up to the propeller shaft. So we're using a couple of pulleys, a big one and a little one. The rest of the car is basically what it was before. That's a spirit level I got from Poundland years ago. I haven't seen them since, but it's a nice type of plastic. It's easy to drill and cut and that sort of thing, so it's quite handy. And it's reasonably rigid. The wheels are CDs, the hubs are bottle tops, and the axles are bamboo canes or barbecue skewers. So I'll wind it up. Actually use my power drill to wind it up, and we'll see how far we can go. Right. Right. I've got a bit of wire going through there, stopping the pulley turning at the moment. Right, I'll pull this bit of wire out. That'll release the pulley. And, well, we'll see if it goes. I'm going a bit to the right, which is very annoying because I deliberately set it to the right because earlier on it was going to the left when I was testing it. So I think we'd have done the distance. I'll give it one more go. Pushed it just that bit too far. Right, bit of a delay there, one of the rubber bands broke. So, we'll try again. Right, that worked. I'm pleased. I didn't fully expect it to work. Right, it's not going to be quite so easy doing my running backwards video. So I've got to pull the bit of wire out from there to release it. So my hand's behind the propeller. Right. Good run though. Yeah. Excellent. Summary time. What have we got? We got one of my rubber band powered cars reconfigured or modified to use a model aeroplane propeller to drive it forwards. CDs for wheels, plastic bottle caps for the hubs, bamboo skewers for the axles. The body is a Spirit level from Poundland, and I haven't seen them in there for years, but that's what that originally was. Quite a few rubber bands, and at the back end here we've got some Meccano, a couple of pulleys from Meccano, rubber band linking the pulleys together, and a 90 by 50 propeller. And that's it. Inspired by a comment by Ed Maynard, but not exactly what he was suggesting. Job done.